Hello, Anthony D'Aquino here, coming at you from the Patterson factory with another modular minute. So we get a lot of inquiries about pitched roofs. A lot of our designs, existing designs, they have a flat roofs, which I think is more modern looking. I actually kind of prefer also because you can add a deck very easily to a flat roof, and that will add square footage to your living space and your backyard and things like that, and set up a fire pit or something out there and hang out. And but some people, they want to maintain a pitched roof, maybe to match the existing neighborhood or whatever. They're already used to that look. So this mod behind me right here actually looks flat, but it is actually a 212 pitch. Now it's flat right now because it is on a hinged roof system. So what that means is it's laying flat right now. And on site, when we use a crane system to set the mod, and the on-site crew is setting it and lining up the marriage lines and everything, they will also use that same crane system to lift up the roof on the hinges to maintain that 212 pitch. They'll seal it into place, and now you got a 212 pitch roof. We can do other pitches, and the reason why we do it with this hinge system is because we want to be able to be within our shipping requirements, which is 13.6 height, 16 wide, and 72 long. So any other questions, feel free to comment below, and it'll be featured in a future video. Awesome. Thank you.